Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Jinx from Arcane. So let's get started. To draw awesome Jinx, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And I say she's awesome because I think she's really cool. And right here we're going to draw another circle. So now my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So it's two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. I'm starting with a very fresh Sharpie today, so my lines can be a little bit thinner, so I have a lot of little details to draw and lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go ahead and spruce up her eyes. So I'm going to come right here at the top and I'm just going to draw some lashes, a nice long one, and then maybe a shorter one right here. And same thing on the other side. Then from there, let's draw her brow. So I'm going to come to the top about right here and we're just going to angle this arch up and then down and just thicken it up. So same thing on the other side, about right here, up and then down, there. And let's give her a smile. So say about right here, we're just gonna go ahead and draw a curve and go up to a smirk and cap it off. From there, we can't really draw all of her just usual face because she has hair that's covering part of her face. So I'm going to come to the center about right here and give myself a point. So just kind of imagining an oval for her face. I'm going to come to the top of her hairline right in the center. And I'm going to draw a curve coming out on both sides. Then from there, I'm going to come right back to the center and I'm going to curve up and then come down with this curve that's going to hit her eye. So just hit right there to the side of her eye. And we're just going to bring it down. Her awesome hair. And then let's see here, let's bring this out a little bit more. I'm going to curve this out, come to the length of where the eye is. And then about right here, I'm just going to curve down and hit where that brow is. And then in this area where we usually would be drawing her face, I'm going to come right about here. And close to the eyes, I'm just going to angle and in. So we're just making the face a little bit more angled. And so on the other side, it would be about right here. So I just need to work on this side first. So then the curve would be about right here. We give her a chin. There, so it's just a little bit more angled, sharper. Okay, so then from there, now that we have that, let's come back in this space right here and we're going to give her an ear. So we're just going to draw this curve. And then come in here for some details. And then from there, we're going to come back where the ear is and we're just going to wobble a little bit and go up. So then let's work on this strand right here. Come back and we're going to go up nice and high. Say about right here. And then I'm going to bring it down. So I'm going to come out about right here. Draw one strand, bring it in. Another one, and then one long one. this one right here. But I won't finish it yet because I need to draw her body, so before I finish that, I'll make sure it doesn't get in the way. But about right there, and then let's come about here, the top of her head. So drawing a curve to finish the top of her head. Just going to angle it down a little bit and connect. There. Okay, then from there for some details, bring this out. Get back to the center. Just draw these lines for some detail for her hair. There. Okay, so hopefully I've captured Jinx's look so far. And then from there, let's draw her body. So I'm going to come back to the center, about right here and here. Give her a little neck, and then we're going to bring it down for her shoulders. So same thing here. Come down for her shoulders. Then let's see here. Come back in about right here. Just going to give myself 2 points for kind of where her armpits would be. And I'm going to angle in. So now I know where I'm working with, and we're going to, let's see here. Let's come back up. She has some of these straps on her neck. So I'll just draw 2 straps, and then this little outfit that she has. So let's come back here. Draw this neckline, then thin, and then we're going to bring it in. Thin strap, and then bring it down. And then about right, let's see, about right here, let's cut it off. And we're going to continue down. And let's add another curve right here because there's a belt part right there. Then from there, let's bring this out. So that's her waist, and now we're going to go to her hips. So let's come down her hips. And let's see here. Belt, so let's say, well, let's work on her belt. So let's say about right here, I'm going to cut it off. If you're using a pencil, just go ahead and draw this curve. But I'm going to try my best not to erase here. So I'm just going to go here and then go up for this belt. Come here and angle it and connect. And then I'm going to go across whatever space. There. So then now about right there, I know, say about right here, I'm just going to give myself an angle line for where her legs are going to start. And I'm going to draw 2 angle lines coming out. Then let's go ahead and start her legs. So we're going to just kind of bring everything together, and it's just going to get thinner as we come down. So same thing on this side. So I'm just trying to draw only the necessary details. It's such a detailed character, right? So hopefully I'm not making it too complicated. So then from there, let's just cut this off. Some zigzags, then continue. And then about right here, I'll cut it off for her shoes. So let's pop this out, and we're going to bring it out. Now curve around and in. There. And so same thing here, just cut it off. And then once again, continue. Connect, and once again, same thing, pop it out. And connect. And then let's see here, we'll put in all the details later. Let's come back and let's draw the arms. So let's bring this down right about here. And this hand is just, we're gonna have it holding a gun. So let's come down. And let's have our hands about right here. So see about there. And then about here, I'm going to draw an angle line. Bring it down. We're going to curve. Then bring it for fingers and then in. And then just go ahead and connect it. There. And then in this space is where we're going to pop in the gun. So just going to draw this angle line all the way down. We just want to come all the way down. And about right here, we just want it at the same angle. I'm going to cut it off. And then the barrel of our gun. Just trying to simplify it. So hopefully that looks like she's holding a gun. And then let's see here, the other hand. The other hand is just more in a fist. So we're going to give it a little bit of a bend, and about right here, bring it down. And line right there. Okay, so then from there, let's see here, let's finish her hair. So just bring this nice and down. And then she has some this beautiful braids at the back. So right about here, I'm just going to draw a curve, then another one, and same thing here. Just so that we know it's braids. And then let's bring one down about right here. I'm just going to curve this strand to about right here. So I'm just drawing a bunch of curves. Then bring it in, cut it off. And let's see, draw in some details. So wherever you curve in, you can come in like this if you want to make it look more like a braid and give it some texture. And then there's two of them, so let's see, put another one here. Then cut it off, and once again. And bring in these lines for some texture. Just a nice simple way to draw braids. There, so hopefully you like how I kind of curved it like that, but you can curve it however you like. There's just these two long braids. And then let's see here, from there let's draw all the details. So the main detail is here, she has this X strap here. So I'm just going to start over here, make it a little bit easier without erasing. I'm going to come here with this, and then we're creating an X, so right about here, being overlapped, this X, and then we're just going to put a circle around the beginning. Sorry if I'm getting messy, it's taking forever to draw all the details. I'm getting a little impatient. Okay, so then here we're just going to quickly draw in these straps. And let's see here as well. And then for some details, right about here, draw a curve. And then she has these straps that come down. And a little bit detail on them right here and here. So same thing on this side. And some detail as well. So same thing. And these arrows that point at each other, and then there's a band that comes about right here. And of course her pants, she has these stripes. So I'm just going to very quickly there, just to give it this texture. And then let's see her boots. She has these flaps that come down. So I'm just going to draw them like this just to make it easier. And of course all the details on her boots. So the sole, draw a curve right here, and then we're going to come close and then draw another curve. And just draw all these lines that go up. So same thing on this side. The sole, top part, there. Hopefully I've captured that as well. And for her arms, there's like a band here. Hopefully gotten everything correctly, but I'm sure I'm missing something. So hopefully you won't mind if you're a big fan of Jinx. I'm just trying my best here. And put one more band on her neck. And then she has this beautiful tattoo. So let's say about right here, like these clouds. Just gonna lightly put this in. Curls. And let's see, some coming out right here. And I'm not sure if there's any there, but I'll just leave it as that. Pop this out. And that is pretty much it. Hopefully I've gotten everything correct, but I really hope I helped you draw Jinx here from Arcade. Fun and hopefully a little bit easier, made it a little bit easier. I know there's a million details in here, but hopefully I've helped you today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.